Hi, everyone. I'm Won-Lee. Chapter 5, Test Hypothesis. Today's topic is p-value. That is a significance probability. You have to know this terminology in hypothesis test. Okay, let's see. Significance probability, p-value. P-value is particularly useful when using computer. When you use computer, it provides p-value, significance probability. When conducting statistical analysis for specific purpose, computer statistical programs provide result based on input language, right? In addition to the basic information about mean or standard deviation and some more basic information, when there is a hypothesis testing objective, the program calculates p-value. Okay, therefore it is essential to understand what the p-value is and be able to properly explain the result using this p-value. For example, it is a standard example. Mu is equal to mu 0 versus h1. Mu is not equal to mu 0. Sample mean x bar and the standard deviation s will be calculated from the data, input data. Additionally, corresponding to the proper comment about the hypothesis testing, the significance probability, so-called p-value, will be calculated by doubling the area of tail corresponding to the sample mean x bar, something like this. If this one calculates by computer, if your x bar is here, then it calculate the area to the tail and multiply by 2. That is p-value. Okay, see later. In the case of a two-tailed test for the mean, significance probability, p-value, calculated as follows. Let's say x bar value, small x bar, real x bar, calculated sample mean is located on the right side of mu 0. Mu 0 here, and your calculated sample mean is here. Then p-value is 2 times, because it is a two-tailed test. X bar greater than small x bar times 2. Okay, because two-tailed test. Then I transform this x bar to t here. Computer calculate this one. As I told you before, computer has f of t. So computer can calculate this probability. That is the p-value. It is nothing but, simple. If you are, let's see this part. A small p-value indicates what? Small p-value. Small p-value indicates x is far from mu 0, right? Thus, the smaller the p-value, the more strongly we can reject h0, right? If x bar is here, then it is smaller p-value. Smaller p-value. Then it is far away from mu 0, p-value is small, then your calculated sample mean is far away from mu 0. So you may reject H0. In other words, contents of H1 is strongly supported, right? All right. When conducting a one-tail test for the mean, let's say this way, this kind of a hypothesis testing problem. The p-value for one-tail test is obtained by dividing the p-value calculated by the computer by 2. Your computer calculate p-value, then divide by 2 for this kind of one-tailed test problem. You understand? Because computer just calculate it this way, times 2, but your hypothesis testing problem is one-tailed test, then you only concentrate on one tail. So you have to divide by p-value by 2, divide by 2. This is because the case of mean testing, okay? This kind of a population mean testing problem, computer program always provides the p-value calculated based on the assumption of a two-tailed test. Computer doesn't know whether you test two-tail or one-tail. So computer program just programmed, just set your problem is two-tail test, especially in the case of a mean, population mean test. As you learn statistical analysis techniques in the future, not now, I think, you will become familiar with the forms of hypothesis and understand how p-value is obtained each case. Okay? So I think I hope you just understand what p-value is, significance probability is. That's it. So don't worry about that. You can see p-value, significance probability here and there in the future. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.